It was a long, stormy night. But there was hackers on 2 beautiful horses. The horses' names were Snowflake and Thunder.
And the white one was Snowflake.
And then
one
the
was
rider,
Thunder.
the rider on Snowflake is Marissa. The rider on Thunder is Noelle. Come on, Thunder. Noelle, wait for me. Just keep up, Marissa. Noelle. Come on, Thunder. Let's go. Noelle.
Because
We're
she
back
doesn't
at
have
the
good
stables.
Healing. Because she got a hole and she doesn't have it good healing.
What's that? Guys, do you hear that? Hear what? I don't hear anything. I hear a neighing. Me too. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go. The gates are shut. I can't jump that high. Me neither. I can, but I'm not going. I'm too tired. Come on, you can share my bed right now.
Because they came back.
Haha, Noelle, I'm beating you. Marissa, wait up. That's what I've been having to tell you. There's a beautiful horse. Leave it alone. Snowflake, cooperate. Snowflake, you're not cooperating? Oh, wow. Thunder, shut your lips. Ugh.